Hey, I'm Ed. Today I'm going to show you how to check the dry plate in a refrigerator that's not dispensing ice. Before we get started, hit those like and subscribe buttons if you want to join our do-it-yourself repair community and get notified each time we post a new video guide. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. You don't need any tools for this check, and please remember that safety comes first. Always disconnect your refrigerator by unplugging it or switching the breaker off, as well as turning off its water supply before doing any work on it. The dry plate helps hold the drum firm in place so it doesn't move around the auger. You'll need to access the dry plate by pulling the ice bin out and emptying the contents into a bag so that you don't lose the ice. Look over the dry plate to make sure it's not bent. You'll also want to make sure that the dry plate hole hasn't widened, which would allow it to shift on the auger. If the dry plate is damaged, you'll need to replace it. If your dry plate is good, you can put the ice back in the bin, then slide the bin back in. If your dry plate is bad, you'll need to replace it with a new one before reinstalling. Don't forget to plug your fridge back in or flip the circuit breaker back on, as well as turning the water back on. You made it. Great job. If you need a new dry plate, grab your model number and head over to AppliancePartsPros.com to place an order. Your new part should arrive in just a few days. And if your dry plate was good, check out our other troubleshooting guides to find out what's preventing your fridge from dispensing ice. If you thought this video was helpful and want to see more like it, hit those like and subscribe buttons. We appreciate you watching and look forward to helping you with all your appliance repair needs. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.